Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, we will learn about the exact function in Excel. In Excel, the exact function is used to compare two text strings and determine if they are exactly the same. It's a case-sensitive function, meaning it considers uppercase and lowercase letters as different. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. To apply exact function, we need to type here is equal to, type exact, open parenthesis, click on text 1, press comma, now click on text 2 and close the parenthesis, press enter. So you can see that the Excel has returned true because both texts are exactly the same. Now let's apply the exact function on the second row. We need to type here is equal to, type exact, open parenthesis, click on text 1, press comma, click on text 2, close parenthesis and press enter. So you can see that the Excel has returned false because the both texts are different. Now I will drag it down. So that's how we can use the exact function in Excel. Thanks for watching this video.